Guys, finally I got access to Sora2. As you can see, now I am logged in. I am not from the US. Actually, Sora2 is only available in the US, and you also need an invite code in order to get access. The main reason why I am doing this is because I have seen other YouTube channels asking people to join their community for invite codes, and also some of the others are also asking for money. So I just want to show you, like, you don't have to pay any money. You can actually get this for free, so don't get scammed by those people. Here I will show you how you can get access and use Sora anywhere in the world. So if you are not in the US, you need like a VPN. So as you can see, I have connected to the US using a VPN. Then only you will be able to access the Sora website. So keep that in mind. This VPN is available for free. Just search Google for free VPN. Let me show you the step by step in order to actually use this. So the first thing you need to search for is OpenAI Discord. Let me use Google. OpenAI and Discord. If you search for OpenAI Discord, you will see this first link, right? Just click on it. So if you are doing this for the first time, I have already took screenshot of the process that I went through. You will see this button to authorize it. Just click on authorize. Then once you are inside their OpenAI Discord server, you need to verify your OpenAI account. So you need to click this. You need to go to OpenAI verification here and just click on verify with OpenAI. Then that will prompt you to click that link. It will take you to this website. Just click on visit the website. Then it will start verification. So you just need to click on start verification. As you can see, after verification it will take a long time, so expect at least 12 or 25 hours based on the queue. There is a lot of queue in order to actually get access. So after your wait, then you get a notification and that you got access. Then what you need to do is search on Google for Sora, right? Type in Sora. Here click on the first link after you type in Sora, that is OpenAI. So this is the domain name. As you can see, they also have an Android and iOS app. In India or anywhere else in the world, you don't get access to the. If you somehow want to get access, what you need to do is you need to change your account by going to the payment option, and you from your mobile you can switch to like US, but not if you want to change back to your home country, then you will have to wait 1 year for to make a change. So only do that if you don't have to change back to your home country. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. That's about the mobile app. And once you are logged into their server, you just click on OpenAI, then click on server rules. Then that will take you to their server like this, right? So what you need is to click here which says Sora2 codes. If you click there, as you can see here, there will be a lot of people sharing their invite codes like this. See, a lot of invite codes are being shared. So this is how others are getting the invite code. You also have invite code. Once you sign up with the account, you will also get 6 invite code. So I also have 6 invite codes, so I can share like 1 or 2 if you did not get that from the Discord server. Okay, so try from the Discord server. Only if you are not getting that, then comment below if you need an invite code. And once you have the invite code, you need to come to this website Sora.openai. Then just click on login. My name is Sora. Click on an option here where it will say the new Sora. When you click there, you will see the option to enter your invite code. Paste that invite code and you will get access to the new Sora dashboard like this. So that's how this works. And if you want, you can also download the video by just right clicking and save video as. But the issue is you will have a watermark, right? So if you want to remove the watermark, you can come to this website key.ai. Here this is the cheapest website from where you can remove the watermark. As you can see, you just need to enter your video URL and just click on run, and it will consume like 0.5 credits. This is the manual way of doing it and the easiest way. And as you can see, the final out will be without the watermark and of high quality. So this is the best way to remove the watermark as of now. And if you want to automate this process using make.com, or if you want to set up some sort of an automation, I have also created the remove Sora watermark. You can just add your module here. First get all the list of the URLs and you can just pass it one by one and maybe send it to YouTube or TikTok or somewhere else. Or if you want, you can also create video from here, but this is a paid method because we will be using from scratch, because we will not be downloading that. This is a fully automated process. If you want to set that up, I have videos on how to set this up. If you want, I can add this in the end cards so that you can check that out. The quality is not HD. Since we are getting this for free, I think we cannot complain. But if you want higher quality, if you want Sora2 like image to video feature, or if you want that in HD quality, then it will cost money from the service, and you can completely automate the video creation using the API. Since it has API, you can connect it to any automation service that you want. And this is the cheapest one, so don't go with the official API. If you are looking for automation or wanting to develop like a product, use this because this is the cheapest option. Because in official API you will be charged per second. Here the price is for 10 seconds, so that's the big difference here. So it's 6 times cheaper than the original Sora API from OpenAI. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe for more future videos, and thank you for watching and have a great day.
And while you're here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Softreviewed. It helps a lot and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
Share, subscribe,